I'm Dr. Zaki Hussein, and I'm the founder and CEO of Touchlab. We're a company based in Edinburgh, Scotland, and our mission is to give robots the power of human touch. The idea came from the fact that robots are missing the largest organ in the human body, which is skin. So they actually can't feel touch or forces, they can't feel textures or pain. So we've solved this problem by creating an electronic skin that is retrofittable onto almost any robot or gripper and can give any robot that human-like sense of touch. Tactile skin, or a skin that can sense forces in the same way as human skin can. So that's the normal and shear forces, the sideways forces that we can with our fingertips and the rest of our body. I think that's basically almost entirely missing from robotics. So in order for robots to be useful in somebody's home or in a hospital, they're going to absolutely need this sense of touch. Threading needles using a robot hand, catheterizing a human patient, something that maybe some of us don't want to imagine at this stage. But these are tasks that require tactile sensing and that robots just can't do. It's a platform technology that eventually all robot hands, grippers could have, and all robot bodies could have. Whether it's 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 5 fingers, the whole palm, the phalanges, the rest of the body, we can cover every robot with our skin. And that's unique in the industry. Nobody's ever scaled up this kind of technology industrially. We started trading early 2019, so we've been around for a while. Turned a profit in our first year because we had clients in the robotics space looking to do pick-and-place tasks faster, especially things like not bruising bananas and avocados. We're looking to scale this technology from hundreds of units in the past years to thousands of units and eventually millions over the following years because the demand in the market is so high.